Good to have you with us on Traders 20 on ET Now. I'm Megha Chadha.
Hi everyone, I'm Avan Dabash. Remember, this is the show that will keep you up to speed with what the technical analysts are betting on, because they'll be giving you their daily dose of 20 fresh stock ideas so that you can have a profitable trading day. We'll be getting them together over the next 30 minutes so that you can pick out some of the most exciting bets in the markets.
Well, not just equities, we will of course also be showcasing commodity ideas as well as strategies to help you make the best of the futures and options market. So let's give you a glimpse of the lineup that we've got for you for today. We've got Ashwini Gujral, who's joining in from New Delhi. Mitesh Thakkar, Sandeep Wagle and Prakash Kaba are here with us from Mumbai. Rajat Bose from Kolkata and Deepak Mohini, of course, from Pune.
Okay, that's a pretty extensive technical lineup, so you'll be getting a lot of trading ideas. But what's happening with the markets? I think boring would perhaps be the word to categorize it. It's got 53.73 on the Nifty, and for the Sensex off by just about 0.2%, it's 17,700. The metals in the FMCG sector, that's really weighing down, while broader markets are showing you a flicker of green. To some of the top index losers then, ITC tops that list. So you've got defensives. In terms of metals, there's Sterlite, Hindalco, SAIL, Jindal Steel and Power, Tata Steel, as well as Sasagoa. So you can classify the entire metals basket as weighing down on the index today. Jayaprakash Associates, HDFC Bank and Coal India, they aren't holding up, and neither is an ONGC. On the gaining side though, IDFC posted a strong set of numbers, features on the list. You've also got the entire ADAG pack, which is looking very strong today. So Rel Infra, Rel Power, as well as Reliance Industries currently at 805. Power Grid, M&M, Tata Motors as well as Ranbaxy are some of the other gainers which are doing fairly well in today's session. But let's give you a disclaimer from our end before we proceed with the trading ideas from our experts. Remember, if you choose to take any positions in the stocks that are recommended, please do consult your financial advisor before doing so. Let's start off then with Ashwini Gujral and Mitesh Thakkar, our first two technical titans joining in on the show. Hi Ashwini, what's on the radar today?
Well, today is a flat day, but probably people are on holiday, or global markets are also a bit sideways. So overall, you have to look for individual stocks. TTK Prestige is the first one. This is a buy with a stop about 36.50, a target of 38.20. This made new highs, and this is a good swing trade. It corrected sharply for about 4 or 5 days, and now is beginning to move up. Tech Mahindra, after sleeping for many years, the stock has started moving higher. This is a buy with a stop about 790, target about 920. Midcap IT overall is showing some upside traction. CESC is a buy with a stop about 308, target of 330. The power space is showing some kind of tailwind. REC etc. are also up. And Cipla, it had those good results, and after that it's been moving sideways. Today it seems to be breaking out on the upside. So this is a buy with a stop about 346, target of 380. Upside momentum is likely to continue in this stock.
Okay, so Ashwini is recommending all long ideas for today's session. Mitesh, what are the big trends that you've spotted?
See, I think I would agree with Ashwini, in the sense that this for the day and the time being, I think remains a very stock-specific market. I've got excuse me, I've got 3 buy calls, and all of them, somewhere related to the power theme. The first one is CESC, which is now breaking above levels of 310.11. In important weekly supply point being cleared over here, can be bought with a stop at 304 for a price target of 326. A buy on PFC, which has got very strong buy signals on the intraday charts. We have seen both these stocks, PFC and REC, do well in an uptrend. We've got fresh buy signals today, can be bought with a stop at 185 for a price target of 200. A buy on Tata Power, which was basically doing a small consolidation of about 5-6 rupees in the range of 101, 102 on the upside to about levels of 97 on the downside. Today the price is moving above the consolidation level. Could be good in the short term, can be bought with a target of 106 with a stop just below 100. And I've got one single sell call, which is on United Phosphorus. Here what we've observed is that the stock price in the short term has broken key moving averages, the 10-20 day averages. Some negative crossovers have happened. Possibly price could decline more. Sell with a stop at 122 for a price target of 112.
Okay, one solitary sell idea, otherwise it's buy calls coming in from Mitesh Thakkar. But let's get in all of the individual queries that you've sent in answered. We've got the first query coming in the aviation space on SpiceJet. We've got Hemant Ajmera, a live caller joining in on the phone line from Mumbai with his query on the same. Hemant, hi, welcome to the show. Tell us what your query is on SpiceJet.
Hi ma'am, good morning. I'm holding 5,000 shares for this SpiceJet. I want to know the target, please.
Well, aviation stocks, like their planes, keep taking off and then, they come down quite sharply. So I'm not of the opinion that you should hold on and assume a great bull market will happen which will take this to 120. So the idea here should be to buy these stocks on decline, and whenever things turn a bit average for them or they start making a bit of money, you should try to get out. So right now you can probably keep holding with a stop about 32. If I were you, I would take half of it off and leave the rest for a target about 42, because that would be a decent 40% rally. In aviation, once you get a 30-40% type of rally, generally the stocks decline again and go down lower. One risk you must keep in mind, the group that the stock is related to keeps getting news other than business. So, it is a bit more risky than Jet Airways.
Okay, so Hemant, you could look at partially booking some of your profits that you're making in a SpiceJet. Away from that, let's talk about a Chambal fertilizer. We've got Ronak Sabu on the line with us. Ronak, good to have you with us. Go ahead with your query.
Good morning, madam. Madam, I have Chambal fertilizer, one lot of August futures at 72 rupees 30 paisa.
Well, first of all, just a general piece of advice. If you bought futures and you have to call a TV show to ask, what you should do, then you should probably not be in the stock. Having said that, I think 65, 66 is a fairly strong support on Chambal fertilizer. It's come down to these levels many times and then gone back. Fertilizer is not something that moves every day or every month. So whenever it moves, it tends to give about a 20-30% type of upside. So you can hold with a closing stop of 66. In case Chambal starts closing below 66, you have to exit, no other choice. On the upside, target could be 82 and then 95. It's not in any great momentum. It is a sideways stock. Or these targets are valid only if the market also tends to show traction. Only then these smaller double-digit type of stocks will move on the upside.
Okay, and the last and final query comes in the form of an email on Tata Motors. Salil Kamath sends this in. He bought 140 shares of it's on Tata Steel then. He bought 140 shares of this counter at a buy price of 530 rupees a piece, and now he wants to know if he should hold on or if he should sell. Ashwini.
Well, he didn't buy at the best possible price, but the good news is that he has bought a blue chip. And generally speaking, blue chips are cyclical, metals as a group are cyclical. So either, he should add double the quantity that he has. If he has like 140, maybe add 280 at current prices, get that price down to like 450. And in a good metals market, he'll probably see 650, 700 on Tata Steel. If he cannot do that, then this trade has lost enough for him to get out, because, by the time it crosses 530, it'll probably be another 1.5, 2 years, and there would be an opportunity cost. So either you keep a 340 stop, add double your quantity here, get your purchase price down, or exit. The targets from here in the short run could be 417 and then 455. Keep a stop about 340 for your entire position.
Okay, so Salil, those are two options that Ashwini is giving to you, either exit or also you could look at averaging out your cost there. Do remember now, here's a disclaimer then from our end, that there are a whole host of stocks that are discussed on the show. So if you decide to take any position that's been recommended, please do consult your financial advisor before doing so.
Okay, and Ashwini Gujral will be here every day as always to get all of your queries answered. If you want to write into us, 3 very simple ways. Email us at bnsn@etnow.tv. You can SMS BNSN followed by your name and your query to 58888 or simply call us on 022-2483-7111.
And well, we are not over with discussing the top technical ideas, so Sandeep Wagle and Prakash Kaba would be joining in on the other side.